Ever liked a YouTube video but can't find it later? Here's the absolute fastest way to see all your liked videos on YouTube. Open up the YouTube app and tap on a profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap on the gear icon. And now tap on your data in YouTube. Scroll down until you find YouTube watch history. And tap on manage your YouTube watch history. And now tap on interactions at the top. And you'll see video likes and dislikes. Tap that. Now you have a complete chronological list of every video you've ever liked. You can tap any video to rewatch instantly or hit the X next to it to easily remove your like. It's that simple. If this helped you out, drop a like on this video, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.